really dialed in for this in this show. This was our jump start at the top of the show. And this is LonoLife. This is protein-packed bone broth mix packets. You match one packet of mix with 8 or 10 ounces of hot water. And start stirring. And you are coming away with really, really yummy, delicious, protein-packed bone broths. Now, this is Stacy Stauffer. She is here to talk to us about a one-time only value. What is a one-time only value? Only good until 10:59. It is now 9:12.
Yeah, not a lot of time left.
And already over 1,000 gone.
Wonderful.
Now, you get 4 boxes, and oh boy, is it cold and flu season. I mean, I'm supposed to get on an airplane first thing in the morning to fly away for a long weekend away, and I'm thinking about wearing my mask, not because I'm sick,
right?
Because I don't want to get sick.
Sure. Prevention is key.
Yeah.
With anything.
So it's going to be important that maybe I wear my mask on the airplane tomorrow, just because there are going to be so many people there. All right, now 4 boxes. You can do 4 of the Thai chili beef,
My favorite.
4 of the regular beef. 4 of the mushroom chicken.
One of our newer flavors.
Or 4 of the regular chicken. Or you can do a combo that gives you 4 of each flavor.
Yeah, and they're all good. I think combo would certainly be the way to go. But
you're going to show us how to mix?
Yeah. This is really what's wonderful is old school nourishment in modern day convenience. This is what LonoLife is all about. Taking your protein on the go now. 10 grams of protein per cup, where all you do is 1 packet in the cup, add 8 to 10 ounces of hot water, depending on how strong you like your flavor. And boy, when we're talking flavors, this is delicious. 50 calories. And why bone broth? Well, because bone broth gives you that protein boost that so many of us who have now hit 50, me included, I've been told by our doctors we need in our diet. This is also amino acids. It is flu and cold season, so when you are feeling down and out and you want nothing to eat, you have no appetite, but you need nourishment, this is the way to do it. And unlike most bone broth on the market, that once you open it, has to be refrigerated, spoils within 5 to 7 days.
This is 8 or 10 ounces.
This is good for 2 years. You take it with you wherever you go. Does not spoil, no sugar, no artificial flavors, and tastes amazing. That's why people keep coming back to LonoLife. And these flavors, what you're looking at right here is the original beef, where we started it all, is just home goodness, like you would get with a stock or soup or stew that you would make at home. But again, now portable to take with you. That's how it was founded. Our lovely founder, Paul, 10 years ago, a loving husband, created LonoLife to be taken on the go because his wife became very sick. I had original beef. Now, with both the beef products, original beef or the Thai curry beef, I want you to know that the bones come from grass-fed cattle raised here in the United States. And then we just simmer them for more than 30 hours, the old-fashioned way. That's how you're able to draw out protein, amino acids, things like that, that you can't get from a can or a box of stock.
People are wondering what I'm using to stir this with. Is a frother. It's fast, it's easy, just pop it in there and then turn it on, and it just breaks up all of the lumps of powder, and now it's completely mixed.
All right, did you grab the chicken?
I did.
Okay, the original chicken.
And you picked up beef, I believe?
Yes, so with the beef, we use the grass-fed beef. With the chicken, these are free-range chickens that are free-range, grown here in the United States. And what we do with the chicken and beef when we slowly simmer those bones is we add in spices and flavors you know you love. In this case, sea salt, black pepper, sage, and thyme. How good is that? So it's very homey, very, very delicious.
Now, regular chicken, some thyme, some peppercorns, and sea salt.
And sage should be on that plate as well.
And sage should be on that plate as well.
Sage should be on that plate as well.
Now, it's important to know, when was the last time I made homemade bone broth? The 12th of never. I have never, ever in my life made homemade bone broth. This is quick, it's easy. Sometimes I'm sitting in my dressing room and I'm chilled to the bone in the wintertime.
Yes.
And even though I have a little heater underneath my dressing table, I'm like, I need some LonoLife. I keep a box on my countertop.
Smart.
And then that way I can just add it to a cup of warm water and then give it a stir and then slowly sip it while I'm prepping my cards, prepping my shows, doing whatever I'm doing. Maybe I'm doing expense reports. They take forever.
Yeah, I remember those.
Yeah. And that hasn't changed. So it's important to know all of this is very important. And this is chicken. So
chicken and
you
beef.
can choose Thai curry beef, 200 remain. You can do the regular beef. Final 100 left.
Okay, that's always popular.
We have mushroom chicken.
Made with 4 mushrooms, including portobello.
And we have 300 left here.
Okay.
And then chicken flavor. Final 400. And what about the combo? I have 1,800 left in the combo, but remember that is the most popular. And we have auto delivery every 60 days for 1 year. This one-time only value will expire at $9.59. It is now $9.17. I'm going to hit you with a rapid-fire trivia question.
Now?
Yes.
Okay, sounds good.
And I want you to give me the first answer that comes to mind, right, wrong, or
Okay.
indifferent. And I will tell you the right answer in case you don't guess it.
Oh, I get to know right away? Okay.
Yeah, you're going to know right
Cool.
away. So will everybody else.
All right, sounds good.
Which country is the largest producer of coffee in the world?
Coffee of the world. Okay, so I'm thinking it's got to be either
Just help me.
Brazil.
Brazil is correct.
No, come on!
You
I
are
got
correct.
it. Speaking of coffee, by the way, this is a great replacement for that afternoon coffee. In the middle of the day, you're still at work, you have a packet of LonoLife in your desk drawer. Remember, it doesn't spoil. You drink this, you're getting 10 grams of protein. It's only 50 calories, no sugar, and you don't get that crash that the caffeine from coffee or sometimes tea gives you then later in the day.
Right.
If you're intermittent fasting and you have to watch what kind of calories you consume before that first meal, guess what? Bone broth at less than 50 calories fits that and holds you over. And when you're eating protein, what do you feel?
Full longer. And
Yes.
I need to let you know, as the food guy around here, it tastes great.
Thank you.
This is also
Thank you.
something
Yes.
you'll add to your cooking if you're doing a stir fry. Add
yes.
a little packet into your stir fry. Delicious. Doing like a chicken stir fry? How you doing? Beef stir fry? Yum. Thai curry beef adds a spiciness and a wonderful flavor that is unmatched, and then so does the chicken mushroom.
Look at this.
If you're looking to
That
make a
mushroom.
gravy out of this,
Gravy, chicken marsala, use it. You know what I do? I take the Thai curry beef, my favorite. I take an old school cheap pack of ramen. I get rid of the mystery flavoring packet. I put 1 packet of the Thai curry in there instead. So now I'm getting protein added to that big carb
Look what
bowl
we did
of
here.
ramen.
we took egg rolls
So good.
and ramen and we mixed it
Yep.
all together.
Oh, you can do the pot stickers too.
Or the pot
Right?
stickers,
and the
or
ramen.
you can do chicken marsala. Just add a little more chicken
No,
goodness.
wait, got some gravy. You were talking about gravy. That mushroom chicken or the beef, depending on what you're making.
Or
So
just
easy.
regular chicken gravy.
Yeah, and when you're cooking with it, 1 packet per 1 cup of water or 1 cup of liquid, whatever you're working with.
And if
That
you want to
easy.
thicken it up a little bit, a little cornstarch goes a long way.
Ooh, nice touch.
Really nice. And it's always good to have you back. And
you,
nice
honey.
job on the trivia question.
Thank you.
You're
Well, I
a
drink a
little
lot
nervous.
of coffee, but I'm not drinking bone broth, of course.
You're a little nervous about that trivia question, I
was.
know.
I thought maybe Jamaica, so I got confused there, but.
But you know what? You spit out Brazil and it was correct.
Yes.
All right. Hey, Rick Roman, I have a microwave.
Hello.
Does that mean I have the means to cook pasta?